Hi there. Today, our topic is about IT general controls. We have a dialogue between Gary, CTO, and Kevin, CEO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Gary, finance has deployed all their group policies months ago. What is your plan for IT?
Kevin. Yes, unfortunately. My team does not have a complete picture on IGC, so I need time to coach them and they can plan for that. It will take some time.
Gary, what is IHC and why are these important?
Kevin, IHC is referred to IT general controls. These are all the basic controls for any organization. These are controls that apply to all systems, components, processes, and data for a given organization or IT environment. The objectives of IGC are to ensure the proper development and implementation of applications, as well as the integrity of programs, data files, and computer operations. The most common IGC: logical access controls over infrastructure, applications, and data. System development life cycle controls. Program change management controls. Data center physical security controls. System and data backup and recovery controls. Computer operation controls. Incidents management. Segregation of duties.
I see. It seems all are basic stuff. Your team does not have any?
No, Kevin. We have some but piecemeal. We need to reorganize all the bit and pieces, draft the policies. Internal training among our team. Briefing to users for some specific ones. And publish them.
Wow! Gary, it's a long journey.
Yes, Kevin. I will be involved for sure and estimate a target completion date.
Thanks, Gary. Please be realistic. But we have no choice. Internal audit is chasing us on this.
This is our priority on top of normal operations. My team is working hard on this. I shall explain to internal auditor.
Gary is right. IHC are the basic and fundamental for an IT department. It needs to be complete and our basis for compliance and internal audit. The most important of all is the deployment to internal IT team members and some maybe to users. It is highly recommended that companies should set up these at the start. Managing these on top of normal operation is tough to the existing team members that senior management should understand. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about IT applications. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.